Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to merge partitions without losing data. Open Windows Explorer. Right-click this PC, click Manage. Click Disk Management. We want to merge C and E partitions. Type Partition Wizard in browser search bar. Click Menu Tool Partition Wizard. Click Download. Open downloaded file and install. Open Menu Tool Partition Wizard. Click Disk and Partition Management. Right-click C Drive, click Merge. Click Next. Select what to merge. Click Finish. Click Apply. Click Yes. Click Restart now. Merged partition content contain E-drive files and folders. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.